Yes, welcome back to the 3R News Show on See Today, where you are watching our signature segment, See the Stories. Aside from mentioning work from home earlier, See Today actually broadcasted from home during COVID-19. Can you share with us some of your experience, Indra, during broadcast from home?
Well, it was actually challenging. It was but one of the measures that it's badly needed to be taken at those time because I don't know if you remember back during the COVID time, there's a spike during the COVID and everybody was infected. I mean, you were on it too. I remember you had to do the broadcasting on our side. Again, we have to reduce so much trying to communicate with everybody from home. So that was quite a challenge right there, but it was fun. And then we made it now without the mess, and then we're on air now. But before we dive deeper into the modern work culture, let's take a deeper look at what work from home concept. Now, working from home, which became popular during the COVID-19, has become a part of the modern work culture. And it is also still used by some companies today.
According to a PricewaterhouseCoopers survey, 62% of workers in Indonesia returned to working entirely from the office in 2023. Meanwhile, 30% were required to work in a hybrid system, which allows a mix of working from office, home, or various other locations. The concept of work from home has evolved into something new called Work from Cafe, or WFC. This idea came from the desire for a varied work environment which offers a more relaxed and inspiring atmosphere compared to working from home.
Communities like at WFC Journal invite professionals to work together in cafes. Aside from adding more fun, the concept helps avoid the boredom of working alone. Now, it also offers more opportunities to share experiences, exchange ideas, and expand professional networks in a more relaxed or informal settings. Now, it is an interesting way to stay productive while remaining connected with other professionals.
And now we will talk about Work from Cafe with WFC Journal. Amelia Susanti here in our studio. Good evening, Amelia.
Good evening.
Thank you so much for joining us on a 3R News Show on See Today in the studio. And by the way, talking about the Work from Cafe, what makes the Work from Cafe or WFC concept attractive to professionals compared to work from home?
Okay, as we know that this is actually a trend that has been passed for about 2 years during COVID, but now it becomes like a new trend because of the traffic, and then most of the companies are making new rules to create like a hybrid situation where their workers or employees are allowed to work from home. That is why this is actually attracts the professionals to work from cafe, because working from home can seem very boring sometimes. Yeah, I feel it like I've been working from home for 2 years, and this is, I am probably a living proof that working from home, like really from home only, making us really bored. That is why it feels like we have new situation, new ambience of the cafe that help us to be more focused and productive.
Yeah.
Okay, so one of the keywords when we work is productivity. So how can one, when you go to work from cafe, how can that improve your productivity or creativity in that matter of fact?
Okay, there's actually a stigma saying that, oh my God, if you work from cafe, you will just busy taking pictures or content, create contents or anything. But that's actually provide us with more productive ambience. Like we can be more focused, like by the ambience itself, because some cafes provide like a working space where everyone just stay quiet, and then with some coffee, and then with a chill situation, rather compared to the office situation where everyone is just busy tapping and then calling and then everything. Yeah, that's actually makes us more productive.
Okay, but talking about the cafe itself, are there any specific criteria to consider when choosing a cafe to work from?
Okay, first this is actually the ambience. Okay, we really need like the cozy ambience of the cafe that help us to be more focused. Of course, not too loud music can disturb us. Like, for example, some cafes at night open and then they provide live music. That's not going to be one of our place to go to work from cafe.
Yeah.
And other than that, might be, yeah, as a Muslim, we probably need to consider musola. For example. Yeah, because, and then now we're actually happy because most of cafes provide musola. And then, yeah, that would be one of the plus point when we go to the
How about the Wi-Fi? Is it important?
Yeah, of course. And the Wi-Fi is actually one of the essentials too. And then the plugs. That's why, yeah. Yeah, because we need to charge our phone and then our tabs, our laptop, yeah.
Okay, so talking about that, so what are the challenges working from cafe and how do you overcome those challenges?
Okay. Sometimes, for me myself, when I explore the cafe, I always like move from cafe to cafe, right?
Okay.
And then sometimes we found a cafe that is not really suitable for working. For example, when people are chatting too loud and then laughing and anything, and then doesn't provide the ambience to really help us productive. That's one of the challenges to stay focused, of course. And then the second, we might comes also to a new boredom other than the work from home itself. For example, when we work from cafe with 3 or 4 people, we might just talk or just chatting rather than doing our work. That's why we need to just be focused.
Okay.
On the job. But I'm curious, Amelia, what types of job do most people in your community have? Is it like for example, like design or like from IT or?
Okay, most of them are coming from the tech industry. And media, from the media, and then from the agency, and then some others are freelancing. So like photographer, editor, and some of our friends are also college students. So they're making thesis where other people are working.
Okay.
Yeah.
But has joining your community helped people with networking and growing their businesses itself?
Yep. So some of us are having like the business and then they share, and then others are just supporting. For example, some others are a job seeker, and then hey, is there any any vacancy in your company and something like that. And one of another interesting stories is that one of our members that is doing thesis, and then they're about to graduate, and then she look for the photographer in the group, and then I'm a photographer, and then they met both of them. So it opens like the network and the new connection, and then I believe that's one of the opportunity also for the people to connect that.
All right, so talk about, tell us a little bit more about the WFC journal communities. I mean, like, how do you organize it? How can one join the communities? And then, like, what time do you guys meet? So give us an idea of like what your community is doing.
Okay, for the community itself, basically we have like 2 types of activities. The first one is the casual WFC. That's like, the casual one. That's when we just, hey, anyone would like to go to the cafe today for work? Then let's go. Nah, and then another one is the collaboration one, where we collaborate with cafes. And then for sometimes the cafes provide beverage, like free snacks or something like that. Yeah, that's also bringing revenues for the cafes also, right? Okay. That's why we're making lots of collaboration right now. So we really hope that it would just continue.
And then how can one, like, for example, like, I would like to be able to hang out in a cafe or coffee shop, and then where are you guys gonna go, and then how can I be qualify, I guess, to join.
Okay, we're actually announcing the agenda on our Instagram. Then they could just hit our DM. Then we would, and then me and some friends would just background check. Sometimes we've got probably scammers or like we don't need to take that very safely. Yeah, that's why we really do the background check. Sometimes we do not really accept people who just have like 0 followers, 0 following, 0 posts, and then hey, I want to go to FG with you guys. Yeah.
It looks like you guys need to build an app. With like all your customer features and everything like that.
Actually, that's one of our
goal, like in the near future.
Yeah, in the near
Okay.
future.
But does any members of the community have unique stories or experience while working from cafe? Maybe you can share more about it.
Okay, so basically, while working on the cafes, there's a lot of interactions. There's a lot of communication between the members or the new strangers, newcomers itself. And then some people found their elementary friends. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Found their elementary friends, and then, oh my God, is that you? But they don't really follow each other on the social media. But they just found like, oh my God, did you go to SDN something? Something like that. Other than that, like the lyric always said, from stranger to friends, friends to lovers.
I'm kind of confused right now. This is working or dating site? What is going on here? The opportunity for the apps it's endless nowadays.
Yeah.
So how many members are actually active right now in your community?
Currently, we've got about 130 plus something.
I'm sorry.
130 something. 130.
Oh, 130. Oh, wow.
But you just actually built this community, right? It's just like how months?
Started in June, actually.
June,
To be
okay.
officially a community.
Okay.
So 3 months already 130.
Yep, something like that.
And then how do you come about? Like, what do you think is like, oh, let's build a community and like people who want to work at the cafe?
That actually comes from my own loneliness.
You want to share with someone that, like have the experience of
So
work from
actually,
home?
I'm not really come from Jakarta, but I have a hybrid working. I'm a full-timer somewhere actually, as a product manager. But I work hybrid. I only go to my office once a week, and then the rest of the week I'm just staying at my apartment or boarding house, something like that. And then I feel the need to interact, like real interactions with people.
Yes.
That's why by that loneliness, I feel like, why don't we like create a community where we can work together rather than working alone?
Okay.
Because I've been working from cafe since 2022. Actually.
Okay.
Okay.
So
2020.
So it sounds like it's something that's only been going on in Jakarta for at the moment. Is there any plan to expand like Bali soon?
Yeah.
I don't know. I
Maybe
never been to
WFC
Bali.
goes to Bali, goes to like Lombok or something.
Oh, that's vacation from okay. Yes.
In the probably next month, we're planning to have like an expansion to Bandung, actually.
Oh, okay. Okay. Fun.
Yeah, because there's a lot of our followers like saying, Kak, create one agenda in Bandung, please, something like that. And I'm really interested to create that there also.
Okay,
There's a
very
whoosh.
interesting. Yeah. Any planning to join it, the WFC?
Go to Bandung real quick and then just do some work and then come back here.
Yeah.
That sounds fun.
Fine. Thank you so much, Amelia, for joining us on the TR News Show here on our studio. Hopefully, the WFC is like growing fast, and we'll see. Maybe you can go to like other places too in Indonesia and collaborate more with other cafe or like maybe like more in that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Success.
Thank you so
with
much
the
again.
Yep,
WFC.
and thank you so much for having me.
Yes, pleasure.
Can I actually thank all of the members?
Yes,
too?
yes,
Of course.
Okay, for all the WFC members, you guys are great, and we really hope that we can like expand that more and more. And let's just, if you, because some people are just trying to, oh, I want to resign from my work, and then you really need to find another work that allows you to work from home, okay? So that we can work from cafe again.
All right, Amel, thank you so much for being here again. And if you guys want to check out WFC, they're available on Instagram at WFC Journal. And for the next See the Stories, we'll continue after the break. Don't go anywhere. Stay here.